So we'll see the 6 advantages of cloud computing. So these are the 6 advantages. The first advantage is rate fixed expense for variable expense. What does it mean? We will discuss. The second example is benefit from massive economies of scale. The third advantage is stop guessing capacity. The fourth advantage is speed. It will increase the speed and agility. The fifth advantage is stop spending money running and maintaining the data center. And the sixth advantage is go global in minutes. So what does it mean? Of all these 6 advantages, we will discuss them one by one. So the first advantage, rate fixed expense for variable expense. What does it mean? It means you don't need to invest in data centers or servers. You will pay for what you use. Okay, so instead of spending money in building the data center, what you will do, you will take the data, the servers on rent. You will utilize the cloud service providers data center here. Okay, and you will pay for what you are using. Let us say you are using the server for 1 hour, you will pay only for 1 hour. This is the meaning of trade fixed expense for variable expense. And you will focus. So what is the primary advantage you will get here? You will focus on your product, not on the data center or infrastructure. The second advantage, the second advantage is benefit from massive economies of scale. What does it mean by massive economies of scale? Which means by using the cloud computing, you will get the services at low cost. All right, so cloud computing, it will provide you the services at low cost. You might be wondering why they are providing you the services at low cost. The reason is the cloud service providers, they are having the millions of customers. So even if they provide the cheap services to their millions of customers, they will be in profit. So here it is a win-win situation for customers and service providers both. This is the meaning of massive economies of scale. Okay, this helps them to offer services at low price. Is still profitable. Still they are profitable. Okay, even if they are providing the services at low price because they are having the millions of customers. Then the third advantage is stop guessing, stop spending money running and maintaining the data center. So again, as I told you, as we have discussed multiple times, here we are not going to use our own data center. You will not spend money in the building the data center. So you don't need to buy and manage the servers. The cloud providers take care of everything. You can focus on your project and customers. Then the fourth advantage is stop guessing capacity. What does it mean by stop guessing capacity? Let us say you are launching your own website. So while launching the own website, it is very hard to guess how much power you need, how many servers you need. Already it is very difficult to guess the capacity. If fewer people visit, extra space is, let us say you are launching the website and you have decided to purchase 100 servers, and it is taking a lot of space here. But let us say your website is getting very few hits or few visits. In that case, we are wasting the space, we are wasting the servers. This is the problem here. Or let us say we have purchased few servers, we have purchased only 2 servers, but our websites are getting so many visits. In that case, we need more servers. So it is normally it is very difficult for us to guess the capacity of our server. But with the cloud, you can adjust the traffic automatically. Let us say in this case, let us take the same example. Imagine you have only 2 servers. You have taken only 2 servers, but it is getting more visits. So in that case, you can instantly increase the servers here, number of servers here. Now imagine you have more servers, but your website is getting few visits. So in that case, you can delete the extra servers. So here with cloud computing, you don't need to uh, do the guessing here. Okay, you will get the proper solution with cloud computing. So you only pay for what you use. This is the fourth advantage. And the fifth advantage is it will increase the speed and agility. What does it mean by increase speed and agility? In cloud, developers can get new resources in minutes, not weeks. So let us say without cloud, you want to test your application. Your development team is there and they have developed an application and they want to test the application. So to test the application, they need the server. Without cloud, if they need the server, they need to send the request first. The company, the management will approve the request. Then they will they will purchase the server, and it will take a lot of time to get the server. Then they can test the server, test the application. But in cloud, you can get the server in minutes, in few seconds, you can say. So in cloud, developers can get the new resources in minutes, not in weeks. They'll help companies build and test ideas quickly. It will save your time and money. Agility means you can adapt fast when the things change. Okay. So let us say again, as I told you, if your website is getting so many visits, you can adapt the changes. You can increase the number of servers. This is the meaning of agility. And the fifth advantage or sixth advantage is you can go global in minutes. So cloud, it is all over the world. Okay, cloud service providers, they are having their data centers all over the world, and all these data centers are connected with each other. All right. So you can, let us say you want to launch a website all over the world. You can launch this website all over the world within few minutes. Okay. So you can launch your application in different countries quickly, just few clicks to reach users around the world. This gives faster service and better experience for your customers. So again, you can go global in few minutes. These are the advantages of cloud computing. These are the 6 advantages of cloud computing. In this video, we will discuss about cloud computing models. So cloud computing having three main models. So it is having some other models also, but these are the three main models. These models are like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service, PaaS stands for platform as a service, and SaaS stands for software as a service. So these are the three main models, and it is having some other models also. Okay, these are the three main models. So let us discuss about these models one by one. So if you see, this is the stack here. Okay, so if you are managing the own data center, you are responsible for networking, storage, server, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, data center, and application. Or in other words, you can say it is a cloud stack. So each model represents a different part of cloud computing stack. Okay, so let us discuss about these three models one by one. If you are okay, what is the meaning of IaaS? In IaaS, okay, in IaaS, you will manage the application, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, and the cloud service provider will manage networking, soft storage, server, and virtualization. The red part is managed by the service provider, and the blue part is managed by you. So if you see on site, everything is managed by you. But in IaaS, okay, the red part, the virtualization, server storage is managed by the service provider, and the blue part, application, data, runtime, middleware, and operating system, it is your responsibility. You will manage it. Then in PaaS, the networking, storage, server, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, it is the responsibility of service provider. You just need to manage the application and data. In software as a service, okay, everything is the cloud service provider's responsibility. Okay, all the complete stack is managed by cloud service provider. In on-site, the complete stack is managed by you. In software as a service, the complete stack is managed by the cloud service provider. So these are the different modes of cloud computing, these different models.